just didn't want to. You know what? Whatever. Lastly is the not KOB, Joe. Chocolate motherfucker. Let motherfuckers know what's going down. Thank you. I appreciate that, loyalty. Get rest, love. Okay, baby, girl. All right, y'all. For everybody that want me to get off, not talking shit. But everybody that want me to get off, could y'all do me a favor? Could y'all see me at? If I could 10 people send me head, I get off. I'm not starting another lottery. Because I don't make no motherfucking sense that I can give it to the girl.
Because I love this man so much. It's like a big I hate that we have to go through hurt. I don't like this. So I have to get...
Kick the exclusive person. Kick him. Okay, no fuck, at this point it's ridiculous. Anytime I be asking for gifts all day, admins, if y'all see me asking for gifts all day, and then somebody come throwing hella exclusives, unless you know they're exclusive, kick them. Well, you stop sending exclusives, so you ain't do shit. I don't like people sending that bullshit. That's 9 episodes of my quarter. And if we be asking for gifts and y'all send that bullshit, you get kicked. Sorry. So, if you ask what the hell that you do, you send the hell out of exclusives. But you obviously didn't know, so we're good.
Yeah. And they all got different things. They all bring different things.
Thank you.
I go off energy. If I ain't feeling your vibe, I'm not still with you at, or you ain't got word. I ain't gonna fake it, and I ain't gonna be rude about it. I just back on up and go on my own way.
Because when I do it with people the first time,
Yeah, I'm sure supporters badge. It's just the exclusives, it takes away. Now, did you see if you was gifting all of them, it takes away the comments, it takes away a lot of shit. I'm not even a host. I mean, yes, I am. Fuck. I know people that's not even hosts that people be sending dumb shit on them. Dumb shit. Thank y'all for the gifts and sisters. Thank you. I literally turned the fuck up today because couldn't do too much.
somebody went out with him.
Somebody would. Oh shit, my clothes. I don't care. They screenshot me anyways. Y'all on the live. Y'all are here. Y'all see what the fuck is going on. And that's P-roll right there. That's P-roll. Right here. P-roll, please.
Yeah.
I need to get from over here because I'm loud. I'm right next to P-Dope. I'm right next to his room right there. I need to go because I want to be able to cuss y'all out. Thank y'all for the gifts. Yeah, the gifts. I want for the doing for them my life though. And be back tomorrow.
I know it costs a lot to heat this house up.
It is giving off Maid Butler. It's giving off everything you want. So. All right, y'all. Well, we going, y'all. The gifts have stopped, so I have stopped. I want to do story time, but we're not getting to the box. So apparently, I'll do it at the job.
Well, when I get home and I have this girl take this mess out of my hair, because I'm about to kill myself with this stuff in my hair. I'm not putting it in my hair no more. Go back to wear my own hair.
What you mean, the fall? Yeah. I didn't fall, though, baby. I didn't fall. I did a split. I just split. Y'all don't know how it is to split. I just split and that shit hurt so bad. But being that I'm here, I can actually work out with them.
He is snoring.
Who?
KOB. He is rolled up like a baby.
All right, y'all. We out. Bye, y'all.
So you ain't gonna gift me. You ain't gonna gift the homie, cuz. You ain't gonna get. Well, you got a plate. Damn. Can we get like, can we get some maces? Like a mace or two? I'll put the diamond radar on y'all ass and call y'all out. Make y'all leave. Oh no. What's up with it? Hey, I'm turning the diamond radar on for a day. Oops, insufficient funds. Okay, I see you, Letitia. Ooh, thank y'all. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Get all the good entertainment over here, cuz. Oh, hold on. Put this like down here real quick. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Send these to me, y'all. Please. Man, crazy.
Why you do that?
Nothing.
How's that?
Give me a second. Give me a second. What is it? She was looking at me, but she's asleep. Boy. Listen, I'm taking screenshots on her phone so she can have them. Is that right? Tell me more. Oh, is that what else? What else? How you tell us how you feel? Is that what else? Oh, okay. Hold on, hold that thought. Oh, shit. Tell us. Ooh, one more time. Okay. All right. All right. Hey, Chantel. This Joe. What's up with it? Your mama sleep. She not. All right. I'll tell her you call her. All right. 41 from Sleep News at night. Okay, we have Ivy Johnson right here, fresh out the pool. Got a real good couple of laps in, a couple of flops, a couple of dives in. Ivy, how do you feel about tonight's performance? You say you had a friend named KOB? He didn't go swimming though. He just had that liquor. Oh. Should we take a word from him? Okay, KOB. All right, right here we have KOB. KOB. So how do you feel about tonight's performance? Okay. So it wasn't bad as Ivy's. It was semi. Okay, it was semi. Alrighty. So Ivy's okay. Okay. Y'all both gonna talk at the same time. I'm gonna need y'all to chill. Ivy's a little bit louder. Let's go see what her problem is. Thank you for talking. And once again, we have KLB. KLB, got anything anybody want to shout out to? Okay, y'all heard it there first. All right, back with Ivy. Oh my God. Tell us more. So Chantel did call you. Started her bullshit. She started her bullshit. I'm trying. It's not letting me. I'm like.
Joe, she was calling because Ivy called her about her keys because Ivy can't find her car keys. So see if she found her car keys.
Oh, okay. I'm
All
pretty
right.
sure she did. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I can't get in that motherfucker. What's that beeping noise? Y'all hear that, right? What y'all doing? What the fuck is that beeping noise?
So this part ain't edited. No, they ain't left yet, huh?
All right, I'm going. Microwave? No, it wasn't a microwave. I just opened the microwave. And then it stops. Okay, refrigerator now. So we have Ivy. Ivy's finally down for the count. The position she's in, not very comfortable. You, I guess she thinks otherwise because she hasn't said a word. Now this guy over here, not so comfortable. Actually had an itch. Something bit him. We don't know. It's bugs everywhere. They're just flying. They come. One hit me in my eye. I can testify to it. I was outside. So these they fight back. They do. So okay. He said my time. Listen, she comfortable. she is comfortable. Talk about get her in a comfortable spot. She is. You feel me? Don't she look comfortable? Oh God, she ain't moving. What are you talking about? I'm gonna piss her off, waking her up. Hey, listen. I shouldn't even think on me. She playing like somebody. Hey, I know. Wow, I've been getting both of them. Playing like somebody uncle in a recliner chair. That's my nigga. I said, Ivy, you stuck with me for life. Oh. I said, Ivy, you stuck with me for life, cuz I just want to let you know that. Where's OG? Somewhere. First contender.
Hey Joe, let me
What's up,
find
bro?
out you you making Freddy Krueger snore snore movies over there.
They was over there
God
cutting.
damn. Her neck will be stiff as a motherfucker boy.
Man,
Whew,
for real, gonna have crooks. She gonna be walking around like this.
that's what? Boy, I know. Alright.
All right. No, Shauna getting her shit packed up. I haven't read it. I haven't read it.
No, go get some mustard, some ketchup, or barbecue sauce and put it on their lips.
What? Excuse me. Yes.
Maybe they're wrong.
Oh no, no.
Huh?
Hell no. I know what that feel like. I know what that feel like.
Close.
What? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, sure.
I
Thank
had the
you.
pleasure of not.
They're comfortable, okay.
I see. Sleep
They,
like a motherfucker.
nigga, they
I
was
move
having,
a leg.
they had a snore off. Oh God, they just had a snore off like a motherfucker.
A what?
A snore off.
Everything they doing?
Not like you recording them. What? Them sleep together?
Yeah, I think I might have to go. I gotta go to the really bro. I was just talking all this shit.
Oh me,
Yeah, I was looking.
I need to go get my shit. Hey, listen, that shit. Hey, it should been fun. That shit been fun. Oh God. If you get caught lacking, you get caught lacking. Don't be over here lacking. Shit, we got shot G last night. What you mean? What you mean? You get caught lacking, boy. You get caught lacking. The boys, you get caught lacking. You get caught lacking. Don't be that one. Don't be him. Don't be them. Being papped out. That nigga Shine G funny as shit, man. That nigga, I don't know why he tripped out. I don't know what happened or what. I just seen the nigga walking out with a suitcase fast as shit. I'm like, what the fuck? Oh man. Why they saying he was baptized? Because he was. That nigga, we was deep. We was out there far as fuck. We was far. And he's like, man, come on. He's like, hell no, y'all too far. Like, nigga, we're standing up. He said it was time. Nigga, it ain't nothing to walk in water. God damn, nigga, you allegedly taller than me, nigga, but you can't stand up, nigga. And this shit's like here to me. This shit's like here. Let you see what? Thank y'all for the gifts. I appreciate that. On behalf of Ivy. Ooh, I could do lotteries. He was told that nigga OB. That nigga acted like he was really gonna die. Is this it? Okay. Ooh, I could do lotteries. Okay. Let's go. Okay. God damn. I'll give her a quick 500 back. I don't know. Oh shit, my fault, y'all. I'm trying to do this shit. Get that little shit back. You hear me? Woo woo. You hear me? Take a chance to win some. You hear me? They gonna come in here and get their shit. Thank y'all. So everybody sleep. Something like, not really. Everybody's kicking and hanging out. It's late. Everybody tired. I ain't gonna front. Everybody ready. That's the fuck out, I'm guessing. I ain't take my shower and shit. Thank you, Miss Fat. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah. 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 I'm over here chilling. Basically, thank y'all, Chomp. Damn. Oh, she gonna get her shit back. You got it back right there. Mm-hmm. Spend 5, make 5 years. Thank y'all for playing too. Thank y'all for the gifts, everything. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed the weekend because with you. So I'm gonna come to your crib. Shit, holla at me. We can see what. I might fly to your crib. You hear me? Where you at? It's raining out there. I hope it ain't raining when I get back. Camila, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Shout out to everybody that's in. Hey, I'm definitely. You in Texas? What part? You a neighbor? I'm in Oklahoma. Yeah, man, it was fun. I definitely had fun. Niggas was drunk. I was drunk as fuck last night at that strip club. You hop, skip it away. I'll be in Dallas. Did y'all eat? Yeah, that shit was good too. Yeah, hold on. It was good. Oh, I can just now. Guys, Chameleon. Well, shit. Hit me up again. Huh? You getting gifts? Or you been? Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah, you welcome. Hey, you was looking comfortable though. Y'all had a competition.
Snoring, she was snoring big time.
Yeah, it's about 2K, man.